That's crazy. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Trespassing on nothing, boy. Oh. Hey. Hey, what happened? Hey, what happened over there? Shit, I was wondering that. I was like, damn, man. Were y'all like in the school or what?
Dance.
Oh, fuck. That's crazy, man. It's homecoming?
Yeah.
Hey, y'all take it easy, man.
Alright, thank you, bro. No, just take a Rob. Rob, you want to hold it?
School dance? Oh. Crazy. Oh, no, it's still on? That's bullshit, isn't it? That's weird that it keeps going on and there's no fire people. Who in the hell waits this long for the fire department to come? And then you got people or kids in here still going. That doesn't make no sense, dude. There's some goofy shit that always goes on. Goofy shit, always. You know, I guess they got their high school dance and everything. It got ruined. That's what they said.
Is that right?
They were at the high school dance, and all of a sudden, the fire department the fire alarm just happened to go off. The boys went down that way. I asked them, and it's crazy, isn't it? You know.
Police officer right there.
Yeah, I see him. I see him right over there. And I'm wondering. I'm like, you know, this has been going on for like 15? Wouldn't they? Where's the fire truck? Why aren't they coming over?
I used to be a city firefighter in Colorado. We would be right on this.
Yeah. I think, you know, it's weird, you know, some weird stuff, you know, but that's crazy. I don't know, you know, it's just I would have thought that they would already come here, and I mean, there's how many fire stations are there?
Yeah,
you know,
there's one down here and then one over here about a mile away.
Yeah.
But there's one real close by, so
yeah.
Who knows?
That's what really gets me. Yeah. I'm almost starting to think like the Truman Show. Like every time I step out the house. Where you know how just weird stuff like that, you know, it's crazy. Coincidence, it's hilarious, but
you know, still with the police officer right there, you know.
Yeah, it's like, and they're having their school dance. It's like they're not even. It's like when those kids came, I was like, man, like, and they're like, oh yeah, just gonna alarm it off. I'm like, y'all, if this was my little school dance, I'd be like, what the hell, you know, like. And they're like I said, there's no fire and everything. This has got to be the weirdest thing I have seen in a while, you know.
Well, yeah, you know, when you got that alarm going off, we would never ignore that. If I was on duty, we'd be there in a heartbeat.
You know, I saw a couple. It was either a week ago or 2 weeks ago down there. I was driving because my family lives over in that area, so I was driving over there, and there was like a red Mustang or something that, like, I guess hit the side or whatever, hit the side of the little bridge over there.
Yeah.
And you know, it's funny. I left and I came back maybe 2 hours later, and then that's when the cops and the fire department was. And I was like, man, even 2 hours after that it's almost like these drunk drivers hit and go off, and then. I mean, it was unbelievable.
Yeah, especially on something busy like a freeway.
Exactly.
Take care of that in a heartbeat.
I mean, it just doesn't make sense or whatever. Like I said, you said that cop's sitting right there. It's like, what, you know, it's like, my gosh, you know, what is he doing? You know, God bless him, you know, but God, what is he doing, you know? And this is like, and then you got, like I said, this guy waiting down here. It's like, what's he doing? You know what I mean? Yeah. Is he one of the fire? I don't know, man. Yeah. This is too crazy. I know. I bet if we stand right here for about 5 minutes, I bet more will come over here. I don't know. Like I said, I would have just thought the fire department would have come by now.
Oh boy. Yeah.
But like I said, the craziest thing, you know, I used to go. I mean, sometimes it would happen over there, like the fire alarm would go off over there unexpectedly. You know, I mean, I love, man. If I had some my finances up, I'd go back over, but the membership price a little expensive for me. I mean, but I think they're nice. Sometimes you can go in there and be like, hey, I just want to use the sauna steam room and that pool out there, and be like, I think I'm going to start doing that. I don't even really want the weights and stuff. I just want to use the downstairs. Yeah. I mean, you cannot beat that.
My daughter's first job was that.
Really? Yeah, I mean, it's an excellent job. They have their heads on right over there. I will say that. And you know, we just got to get these. You know, I'm a little older. I know I look young, but I'm actually and I can't believe what's going on, sir, in our country with the whole men want to be, you know, women. I don't get it. You know, there's no logic behind this. There is no science. That's how tyranny always starts. Yeah. And, you know, people need to realize that. I think we're holding on by a gooseneck, you know.
Yeah, we really are.
You know, 50% of the food production has gotten shot out, and people don't realize 50% of the facilities have mysteriously planes crashed into them, exploded in fires randomly. I don't really think I buy that. I don't buy that, you know.